Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer contact from iPhone to Galaxy S26 Ultra or Galaxy to iPhone in the same process. So simply you just open your phone apps and go to contact section. Press on this arrow icon showing it to all contact. Just long press to export. Okay, press on right mark and I'm get this interface. At first need to sign in Gmail account. Okay, select mail and you just enter this mail address. Okay, and press on to send. Okay, now send this and open to Gmail. As you can see, now I am receive this mail to all contact. Press on to download this contact. Okay, showing it to my all contact. Just press on to import. Press on allow to import. Select phone, Samsung, Google, like I'm select to phone. Press on import. Okay, just go back. So as you can see, now successfully transfer all contact same to same. That's it.